making progress. I got some of these lights up. And here's where I'm at with the wiring, and I still have to go all the way down to the end. And I got all the lights and everything up here with me. It's going. We're getting there.
Ready? Whoa, dang.
Glorious LED lighting.
Wow.
It's white.
That's just one row. There's gonna be another row right down here. Wow, looks so good. Oh no, they're scared. Puppy. All right, it's time to see. We did all these. Well, I shouldn't say we. Mike did. Ready and whoa!
I can't look directly at it.
Wow.
It is incredibly bright here.
This is nice. It's so much brighter than it used to be.
Yeah, it's like it's daytime.
I love it.
It's 8 p.m. and pitch black outside. It's that time of year.
Look at how good the Wraith looks in here. And your new home with heat. Yeah. Got that 60,000 BTU heater blowing. Just got that installed today. And we got Piper in the Wraith. It's actually really good lighting for video in here now. Crazy how bright it is. It's like we got ourselves a visitor.
It's late. It must be Kenny.
Yeah, it could be Kenny. Let's see who it is. Doesn't look like a Ram dually.
I see a sports bra.
Man, it's like Dave lives here. He's gonna start paying monthly rent, I tell you what.
It's like he's done this before.
Yeah, he's even pulling up. He knows where to go and everything.
cowboy's hat. This job's gonna suck.
Sun's going down, getting colder. It's only about 34 degrees outside. But the pile of bags is getting lower and lower. I know I can't wait for it to be done. And I'm barely even doing anything. I'm just helping move the bags around and pick up trash and all that kind of stuff, watch the dogs. But I'm cold. I'm ready for this thing to be insulated and for the door to be shut. That way it can be warm again in here. That's it, last bag went in. That's a lot of hose for a little trash can. Yeah, it's a nice coat, Mike. It's a new color that Carhartt put out.
Insulation gray.
Good job, Dave. Work continues. However, it is currently 55 in the garage. This is well worth it, I must say. No regrets. It was like 25 degrees last night. The Wraith stayed warm. Thanks for all your help. You're always welcome back to Camp A. We should rename it like Fitch Camp A.
Yeah, I'm gonna have the most reward points, I know that.
Yeah. Kenny's not gonna have anything on your Groupon.
I mean, he's got the link in the discount code, but I've got more stamps in my book.
That's for sure. That is that. Whew. That was a long weekend of a lot of work for the guys, but we appreciate Dave Fitch, Mike and Melanie Ballard, and everyone for helping us. And this guy came in really helpful. So glad we decided to rent that. But the garage is pretty much done, with the exception of the door, which will be getting installed not this week, but the following week. So pretty soon, everything will be completed, and this garage operation, no more winterization, will be a complete success.